Hey, so here let's go through how to do your um, summative. So before you begin, describe how gravity is affected by mass and distance. So think to yourself, when two objects are really big, how does that affect mass? When they're very small, when they're very close together, when they're very far apart. And then describe an orbit that's elliptical, an ellipse. We talked about this the other day, or you can look it up. Okay, now begin the summative. You go to the Gravity in Orbit PhET simulation, click on Model. So here, I'll do that for you guys. Model, good. For each test, repeat the following steps. Click the Path and Grid buttons. We go here, click Path and Grid, good. Click Play to start the planet movement. Click on the orange Reset button after you're done. When you start, the first one says the star mass, this is the way it's set. The star mass is our sun, the planet mass is Earth, and the initial distance, the planet is 2 grid squares from the center of the star. Let's check that out. Here's the star, 1, 2 grid squares. So what's the shape of the planet's revolution? So what you do is you start it and pay attention to the path. You can make it go faster if you want to. What I like to do is when it gets close to the end, I put it in slow motion. So I remember where it started, right? Click it, and then I go back and I answer this question. Was it a circle or an ellipse, or was it bizarrely a square or a star? And then how many Earth days does one revolution take? You look here. What happens if you repeat the test, but with the star mass set to 0.5? Okay, now I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to turn the path and the grid on, and I'm going to turn the star mass to 0.5. Okay, now I'm not going to finish this right now. I'm going to let you finish this, but that's how you go about doing this. Why does it happen? Don't forget to say why this happens. Describe what happens here. Why does it happen? Then repeat the test again with the star mass set to 1.5. Describe the shape, and every time you redo it, don't forget to press this button, put the path and the grid button there. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about this as you go through it. Good luck.